This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, October the 23rd. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather and temperatures slightly above average again today, but a gradual cooling trend for the rest of the week and heading into the weekend. Perhaps more significant cooling for next week, along with just a little bit of forecast uncertainty thrown into the mix as well. We'll get into it. First, the almanac from yesterday, 90 degrees the high, 59 was the low, the normals 86 and 62. And outside now, here at 9:10 a.m., sunny skies in the valley, 70 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 30, humidity 23%, the winds are light, the barometer is rising. Temperatures out there this morning, 52 the cool spot at Fort McDowell, most of us mid-60s to low 70s. The upper air analysis this morning, a long wave trough over the eastern half of the country, a dry northwesterly flow here across the southwestern United States, and that's keeping conditions tranquil. The watch warning maps and winter weather advisories and windy conditions across parts of Montana. And in the southwest, we've got red flag warnings for Southern California. That warm, dry air being blown all the way to the coast. The Santa Ana winds picking up again. Yesterday in San Diego, they hit 88 degrees. So that warm air all the way to the coast. That was their warmest temperature they've had all year. Convective outlook for today. No organized areas of severe weather anywhere across the contiguous United States. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Wednesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, some light rain perhaps possible across parts of northern Arizona next week. That's all part of that forecast uncertainty I alluded to. We'll get into the details of that now as we check out the models. Have a look at it. This is the GFS. The 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. Trough in the east, a ridge off the west coast, a dry northwesterly flow here, so down at the surface, sunny skies, dry air, highs, low 90s. Tonight, clear skies, lows in the 50s to low 60s. Tomorrow, sunny again, highs mid to upper 80s. It'll turn breezy in the afternoon and evening hours, thanks to a little system passing through the Intermountain West, dragging a front across the state tomorrow night. And Friday, that sets the stage for partly sunny skies, highs low to mid 80s, should be a beautiful day. Saturday, we'll start the day out in the 50s. Highs climb into the low and mid-80s again. Mid to upper 80s on Sunday with partly sunny skies. And then Monday, this is where our forecast uncertainty starts in. The GFS keeps kind of a weak system moving through the west, rather fast moving, and only slightly dampens the height fields, whereas the European develops a much more vigorous closed low that moves into the southwestern states. For now, we're probably going to split the difference here and call for somewhat cooler temperatures for next week. Highs upper 70s and low 80s on Monday, mid to upper 70s on Tuesday. We'll keep conditions dry here in the valley. There could be some isolated showers over northern Arizona. Let's go to a week from today. This is Wednesday the 30th. Again, forecast uncertainty through this period. The GFS shows a weak ridge here. The European shows an upper low. We'll keep high temperatures around normal, maybe even slightly below average, low 80s. And then going out 10 days to the end of the forecast period, this is Friday, the 1st of November. And that's kind of a zonal flow, a very weak, baggy upper wave to our west, and conditions to remain dry and seasonal. Speaking of seasonal, let's check out those temperatures off the European ensemble. It's got temperatures really dropping early next week, getting down into the low 70s. Not sure it gets that cool, but the idea of cooler weather does look likely for next week, just in time for Halloween. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be notified. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. Be safe out there. And you guys have yourselves a fantastic Wednesday.